Welcome to your dance tutorial for Truth or Dare by Tyla. Let's waste no time, let's get into it. All right, let's get started with the first part of the dance. I'm gonna be stepping back on my left leg first. Hands are gonna come to my chest. Tick, tick. Then I'm gonna step back on the right leg, switch it. Hands come up as if I'm saying shh, okay? And that's gonna be on 5, 6, 7, and 8 in, okay? Then from here, I push off my right leg to go forward onto the left on the word dare. Okay, and that's gonna slide me forward. From here, I pick my hands up if this is like calming something down. Using my right leg first, I'm gonna go bounce on the heel, toe. So it's gonna go ta, 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 ta. Good, one more time. We said just that bounce, ta, 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 ta. Stop there for now. Let's go from the top one more time. So it's gonna say 5, 6, let's play truth or dare. Ta, 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 ta. From here, your hands are gonna fall off your head and you're gonna use your right leg to go off and kind of milk into that moment. So it's gonna say forget, tick, tick, tick. Okay? So I release, boom, tick, tick, tick. Then from here, I'm gonna turn my body, left leg steps forward. I go down my arm, down my torso with a little body roll. Down my other arm, torso, and stop halfway on that one, okay? So from here now, I'm gonna step with my right leg. I'm gonna go truth, or then I rebound off this right leg, dare. And from here, I'm gonna go sway, sway, press. Okay, let's stop there for now, and let's do it all from the top, just to get into the flow of it, okay? So it says, 5, 6, let's play truth or dare. T, forget that you used to treat me just like everyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Okay? From here now, stepping out with the left leg, I'm gonna go step, hands go out, have that pressure on that left ball of my foot, bring the hands in, I'm gonna turn towards my right shoulder, turn. Okay, and that's gonna bring me to the front. From here, I step out on the 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is just a little groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hands just feel like you're carrying like a baby or something. That's my analogy. So we said from here again, we said, sway, sway, care, step, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, you're gonna use your right hand, hit your inner thigh, switch to the left, hands are both by your sides, kick up the right leg, and then come up, hit, okay? And that's gonna finish the first phrase there. Let's put it all together so you can hear like the lyrics or the timing. Nice and slow first. So we said from the very top, 5, 6, let's play truth or dare. Is it true you care that you used to treat me just like everyone? Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone, tell me. Okay? So that's gonna be the flow there, that beginning part. Let's do a little bit faster and then we'll move on to the chorus. Here we go, from the top. We said 5, 6, let's play truth or dare. Care. Ba, 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 treat me just like everyone. Tick, tick, ha. Is it true you care? Step, turn, whom, ka, 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 and hit. Tell me. Nice. Now we're gonna go through the chorus part, which is pretty chill, but also very aggressive, okay? So, after we come from here, tell me, I'm gonna reach down and step with my left leg first. Left, right, left, and I'm gonna use my chest here and grab with my fist at the same time down here. Ba, ba. I repeat that phrase. Reach, 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 grab, grab. 2, more times, ha, ha. Last time, here, ka, ka. Okay? Now that groove, if you see me from the side, I'm kind of pushing my chest down into the motion. Boom, ki, 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 ki. Okay? So let's do that groove one more time from the top. So we start from here. Tell me, boom, ha, ha. Truth or dare, yeah, ha. Do, 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 ka, ka. T, T, T. Good. Now grooving off of this part, my hands are gonna go in front, shoulder, kicking out the right leg first. I'm gonna go hit, cross, hit, cross, back it up, open up, 6, 7, 8. Good. From here, I have these like trigger hands. I'm gonna keep them as I come down on the balls of my toes, open up the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how I pull my hands up here. Ba, 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 ba. Good. And then from here, I'm gonna step my left leg, hands go across my chest. Fist, fist, fist. I lift up this left hand and I go knock, knock. Then from here, I jump forward on the left leg, elbow. Okay? One more time, let's go through that course again. So we finish from here. Tell me, boom, D, 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 D. Reach, reach, grab, then we go. And front, cross, open up. Bring it down, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. All right, let's put the whole dance together before we go and try with the music, okay? Here we go, from the top. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's play truth or dare. T, 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 care. Ta, 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 treat me just like everyone. Truth or dare. T, T, care. Step, turn, boom, boom. Kika, and hit. Tell me, reach. Ha, ha. Do, do, ka, ka. D, 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 ha, ha. D, 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 and move, move. Open up. Then, ha, ha. Kika, ta, ta, hit. All right, now it's time for you to try with the music. All you gotta do is click this video right here and give it a shot, all right? Have fun. Peace out.